Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a customer job. This is a nice Acer laptop, i5 10 Gen and NVIDIA graphics, 144 Hz display. So what's the problem with this one? Well, apart from the fact is that, let's see what the customer is saying. Acer Nitro 5 stopped working suddenly. Won't start, no charging light or either. And the customer tried removing the battery, removing the BIOS battery, still no luck. Yeah, so that's all what we know about this laptop. Now let's plug the charger, which is connected to the power supply, and let's test. I need an adapter, Acer adapter, which is easy to spot. It's a blue connector. So 19 volts, some amps there, and let's plug the charger. We plug the charger and it's taking nothing, zero. I heard a click on the power supply. That's strange. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. You know what? I'm concerned about that click. That click means a lot. Let's show it one more time. It's not clicking anymore. It's not clicking, but that click means a lot. It means that the laptop got more current than I set up on the power supply. Okay, let's open this quickly and have a look inside. So based on that click, I suppose we have a shorted power supply or a shorted power rail. Remember, I always told you follow your power supply, yeah? And keep an eye on the power supply also. Of course, on the linear one. Linear one is clicking because it has a relay. A digital one doesn't. Okay, so the back cover it's out. And it's looking nice. Look, it's like a classic board. Yeah, it's a classic board. Now let's remove the battery. That's the first thing what I want to check is the main power rail. Yeah. Let's remove the battery. Battery is removed. Let's get a multimeter. Now we have to find a power supply. We cannot, yeah, I think even those. Check on the screen, 0 ohms, yeah. I mean 0.8, but my probes have 0.6. So the main power rail has 0.2 ohms. Remember that click from the beginning? Yeah. Now, if the customer is lucky, it's a shorted capacitor. If the customer is not lucky, it will be like a CPU MOSFET shorted. If it's a GPU shorted MOSFET, that's quite okay. I mean, the laptop, after we are removing the short, the laptop will still work on the integrated graphics. Okay, so we remove the heatsink. So what's the next step? Next step, let's get the thermal camera. Let me grab the power supply. We have the plus and we have the minus from the power supply. We need a ground. And with the plus, we are coming on the same spot. I mean, on the capacitors on the main power rail. Let me lower the voltage. Yeah, let's be safe. Like 0.8, we have some amps there. Yeah, that's fine. That should be fine. Let's see. The CPU or GPU? Yeah, place your bet. Place your bet. It's taking 2 amps. That for me looks like a CPU issue. Nah, nothing else. No, the CPU. the CPU. You can see it. I mean, it's getting a little bit hot, warm. Okay, maybe I'm wrong because even the GPU has same color. Let's raise the current a little bit. Actually, the voltage. Yeah, 2.7 amps, 1 volt. Still safe. Oh lol, what is that? What is that? There is something very hot. And I believe that's the VRAM power supply, right? Let's see. So VRAM has 0 ohms. You can see? Gone forever. Yeah, we have that VRAM. So one MOSFET is shorted. The high side MOSFET actually is shorted. It's not like any is shorted. Let's remove the short. Like how I said, the laptop should still work on the Intel graphics. So which one we are removing? So we will be removing this MOSFET. Yeah, this one. Wait, those are dual MOSFETs. Oh, okay, got it. Got it. So the MOSFET is removed. Do we still have short? Let's check. No, no short. No short. No short. Yes, I will show you. I will show you. So coming with the multimeter, you remember those capacitors? It's not short anymore. Now plug in the charger. Let's plug the screen. Let's clean a little bit. Yeah, we don't need the heatsink. No, it's fine. Yeah, the laptop, it will be fine with my thermal pad. And let's try to power on the laptop and see if we have any picture. Let's try to power on. And I can see the keyboard is coming on. Let's wait because probably the customer reset the BIOS. And we have picture, you can see on the screen, and it's loading the windows. Proper hot, proper hot. So, sorry, you fix it. Yeah, this is a working laptop with Intel graphics. Doesn't work with NVIDIA graphics anymore. What we can do? Wow, the GPU is still getting hot. I mean, it's getting hot for nothing, but yeah. We can actually remove the coils from the GPU. Just, no point taking power if it's not working. So, what we can do with this one? Let's see. Maybe we are lucky to have like one dead, but no, it's nothing, one dead. 19 volts around 10 amps goes on a power rail which is supposed to be around 1 volt. But let's see. Let's try. Let's try and see. Let's see which one. Which RAM memory is shorted? So let me lower the voltage. I'll come with the thermal camera. It's still hot because the laptop was on. Yeah, let's come with current. Here on the output of the coil, and it's taking, wow. Let me raise the current. Taking like 3 amps. So check that. You see that one? Yeah. But you know how it is. I mean, I tried before. You remove that one, which is very shorted. And after you remove that one, you'll find another one and another one, and it's a never-ending story. Trust me. So even if you start, let's say, removing this shorted RAM, which is very shorted, you remove this and you see another you see actually on the power supply, it's not taking 4 amps, it's taking only 3 amps, and that one is getting hot. You remove that one, and then you see one is getting hot and it's taking only 2 amps, and so on. I mean, all those memories got like 19 volts, 10 amps. You know what I mean? Are all dead. And like how I said on the other videos, people seeing short. Yeah, you see short. Okay, 19 volts came on this power rail, and those are short to ground. No one is seeing. Wait, but what about short to data lines? Huh? No one is seeing that. But the short is working on the always. So if 19 volts came to those chips and it goes to ground, short them to ground, also the 19 volts goes to the data lines which they are going to the NVIDIA graphics. Yeah. So it's not like, okay, the shorts are always to ground. No. Most likely the shorts are always bidirectional. Yeah, it's going on everywhere. But still, we are delivering to the customer a working laptop. So we can still, charge something. We help him. He can use this laptop a little bit more. So I'll stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, so you can see if you have a short like a GPU, VRAM, you remove the short and the laptop still be working on the Intel graphics. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.